What's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 is back with another video. Okay? So, anyway, I want to tell y'all what I got. Y'all see the title of your screen. I got the new Super Mario Brothers movie. Alright? I know some of y'all saw this movie, but this will be my first time seeing it. And I know I'm going to enjoy it. Okay? So, bought it today. Saw the preview and stuff like that, but I ain't saw the movie at all. Okay? So, anyway, I'm going to unwrap this, okay? Alright, here we go. Yep. So, about to unwrap this while I'm live. Or something like that. Live or whatever. Alright. Yep. Alright. I may see this tonight or tomorrow, okay? Alright. So look at the back. Look at the front. Okay, I know I'm going to enjoy this movie. Will y'all enjoy this movie? Did y'all enjoy this movie? I bet y'all did. And by the way, Poo Poo Donkey Kong is in this movie. Y'all see Poo Poo Donkey Kong? I can't believe Poo Poo Donkey Kong is in this movie. I really can't believe it. Poo Poo Donkey Kong is in this movie with Poo Poo Mario. Yes, indeed. I still talk like a kid. Alright. Either I'm gonna watch it tonight or tomorrow. Okay? Alright. I hope y'all enjoy this movie. Guess what? If you don't have this movie, buy this DVD, okay? I'll do a review about this tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening, or something like that, okay? Alright, so I hope y'all get this movie, because I'm pretty sure this movie gonna be great, alright? See ya.